Hi, I'm Mike Holmes. I'm passionate about building high-quality homes that are energy efficient and are built to last. That's why I've handpicked Omega Homes to be part of my Holmes Approved Homes program. Omega Homes prides themselves as a truly custom home builder specializing in modern stylish homes in the Ottawa area. They work with the best tradespeople, architects, and designers to make your dream home become a reality. My Mike Holmes inspectors visit every Omega home to document everything they see during different stages of construction, because it's all about giving you that peace of mind to know that your new home was built to my standards. When you choose a Holmes Approved Omega home, you're choosing a beautiful home for your family that's strong and durable and built to last. They go above industry standards to build homes that are beautiful, healthy, and strong, because when it's worth doing, it's worth making it right.